To clear the mfc140.dll pop-up, we need to relink your code libraries. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and here is your safe, verified fix. This DLL file is a core Microsoft Foundation class library for Visual C 2015-2022. It provides the framework for building desktop applications with consistent Windows-style user interfaces and resource management. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. To get back up and running, try reinstalling Microsoft Visual C Redistributable. Grab the official x86 and x64 Visual C++ packages from Microsoft and run them to restore the missing runtime component. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including the mfc140, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Using an incorrect or outdated version of the mfc140.dll can create a domino effect, causing other unrelated programs on your PC to start failing. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. Streamline background processes by reviewing the maintenance utility linked below for the mfc140. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.